So in this video, I'm partaking in Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. So anyone could join. If you're interested in sharing your creativity with others, you just add hashtag satmornmakes to your video. I'm going to leave her link down below so you could check her out and check out more information about joining Saturday Morning Makes. So I created a card as well as I have a spring giveaway. So if you guys are interested in any of those things, please do stick around. Welcome guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into the card that I created for my Saturday morning makes. Some of the things that I use is these beautiful buttons right here that I got off from AliExpress. They're in the shape of a heart and they look like they're made out of the coconut shells. They're wooden anyway. So I used those on my project. I also used this carrot stamp by I think Judith and Heather Stamps. And this particular one I think is made by Heather. I also incorporate these Stitched with Whimsy dies. These are by Stampin' Up. And I just love these dies. And I got these dies here from AliExpress as well. And these are, I guess, circular segments. And they have little X's around the edges. So they cut little slits to create those X's. You get 5 that comes in this pack. And the stamp that I use for my card is this cute little bunny here. I did a separate video on how I colored her in. And if you're interested in seeing how I use my alcohol markers to color it in and do my blending, I'll list the video up above. That particular stamp I got off of eBay. It's by Stamp Affairs 1995 Gold Creations. And I also use this stamp set here by Stampin' Up Crafting Forever. This stamp set is retired and I use this stamp right here, Made with Love. I incorporate some designer series paper or printed paper, and this pack here is from this pack is by Stampin' Up. It's called Pattern Party Design Series paper, and you get 48 in a pack. And they have some beautiful colors in this pack. Let me see if I could pull it out so you could see some of the colors that is in here. So these have design on either side. So it's 48 that comes in a pack. Really nice pack. So let me share with you the card that I created. It's interesting is like I just stepped up my game with my card making. I think I did a video a couple weeks ago and where I incorporate crocheting, and I have not crocheted in ages. Probably, as I said, when I was a teenager was the last time I crocheted. So now this time what I did is I brought out my sewing machine, dusted off. I had to even look up a video on how to thread it, make sure my tension and everything is correct. I haven't sewed in a long time and I just do basic sewing. I did sew my maternity clothes. I use a pattern to sew my maternity clothes. So if I put my mind to it, I could do it, but I'm not a seamstress, let's just say. So I say, let me just step it up a little bit and I'm going to incorporate some stitching with my machine into my card making up with my projects. And it's just let you use all the other skills that you have that you haven't used in a long time. Why not? So as you could see here, look at this printed paper right here, this pattern paper. Isn't that beautiful? It screams spring. Okay, it's like a box of Skittles. That paper is gorgeous. And I think it blended so well with my little stamp my little bunny. What I love about Stampin' Up is that their colors match so nicely. So I use the green is called the soft succulent green by Stampin' Up, and you know, look how well it goes with that printed paper. And I cut this little shape out here. I cut the ducktail right out to the edge, and I did some straight stitching with some zigzag stitching. And I did the straight stitching and some zigzag stitching along that printed paper too as well. So I'm not sure if you could see that. And then I heat emboss the sentiment in this white with the white powder. I think you're wonderful. There's my heart-shaped button, and I add some twine to it. And then I came in here, and this is where I put those little stitching on the inside of the card. And that is called Stitch with Whimsy Dies by Stampin' Up. There's my carrot. I used the soft succulent ink to stamp that up. And then I came to the back, and I add a little tag with the fishtail. And there I stamp the sentiment made with love back here. I just have to sign that. I need to get a stamp with my name on it. Just makes it so much easier. And I think that turned out so beautiful. I love it. I really don't want to give it away. So anyway, I also designed the flap with that designer series paper. Print is what Stampin' Up calls it, a printed paper. And I also add some straight stitching around that too as well. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Just to carry that theme through. And that is my card, guys. Let me see if I could zoom in a little bit so you could get a closer look at that. Then I'm going to share with you the giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to be giving away a spring, something for spring. So let's see. Let's bring this in. So in order to partake in this giveaway, you have to be one of my crafty subscribers. All right. And this giveaway is a kit. And this is a kit by Stampin' Up. And this one is called No Matter the Weather Card Kit. And it has these cute little boots. What I love about it is these cute little boots here. So you have in this kit enough supplies to create 9 cards. I guess you could also stretch it, use your supplies and create several more. All right, I'm trying to get that glare off of the plastic. So you have enough supplies to create 9 cards. So you're going to get 9 card bases and 9 envelopes, and you're going to get everything in here to design those 9 cards. So you get dimensionals, you get glue dots. It even come with a clear block, guys. You get some white and green twine. You get a little ink spot is in a basic gray. And also you get a stamp set. The only thing with this should have incorporated the boots in the stamps, which they have not. But if you're interested in a spring set with boots, they have a set in their spring catalog, I think, which is going to end in June, if I'm not mistaken. But if you're interested in getting that stamp set with the boots, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back with you. So on this stamp, let's see what it says. It said, "Let love grow." And then another sentiment, it says, "No matter the weather, we're in this together." And this one here says, "Wishing you better days ahead." And then it also says, "You're capable of amazing things." Can you have some clouds, some flowers, hearts, some little speckles, And I guess this way, this little stamp right here could be water puddles. So if you're interested in this, all you have to do is leave a comment with the word spring, so I'll know that you like to partake in the giveaway. So you have to be one of my subscribers, and you just leave a comment below with the word spring, and just say something about spring, and I'll know that you want to partake in the giveaway. And I'll pull names, and I'll announce the winner on April 12th. So you have until April 11th, midnight Eastern time, to leave me a comment with the word spring in there, so I'll know that you want to partake in that. Then on Tuesday, April 12th, I'll announce the winner. Then the winner will have 72 hours to get in touch with me so I could mail this out. If they don't respond in 72 hours, then I'll choose another winner. So thank you guys for joining me today. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.